Hello YouTube. Today I got my digital microscope that I ordered through Daraz. So let's have a look at it. So this is the outer packing with different data mentioned on it. This is basically 1000 with a 1000x zoom. These are the different applications you can use it for, and we can use it for different purposes actually. So it came all the way from China. It took about 20 days to reach here to me. Okay, let's open the package and let's see what we have got inside. Okay, let's open the pack. So here we can see the main part, that is the digital microscope with the USB access cable, and this one is part of the stand. You can see there are different parts of the stand. Then you can use to mount the microscope on it to make sure it doesn't move when we are focusing on different objects. These are all parts of that stand. So here is the CD that contains the software to be used on the PC, and this small slide is actually used for calibration. If we want to measure some organisms under the microscope into millimeters or with higher degrees, so this is to calibrate. And at the last we have a user manual, quite simple one, both in Chinese and English. It shows how to use this microscope. Different instructions are mentioned. We can follow the instructions, download the software from the website or from the CD, install it and open it through our PC. Here I have joined all the parts of the stand that we can use to mount the microscope, the digital one. It can move from two parts, two locations. You can see it. We can fix the microscope in it and use it on the stand. So here is the main part, that is the digital microscope. It has a snap button to take a picture and a light button. It has 8 LEDs inside it to shed light on the object that we are seeing under it. And the cable has 3 connectors: type C connector, and the regular USB connector, the small one, and the big one for connecting to our PC. Let's connect it to the laptop. We let's plug in. I have plugged in the USB cable. As soon as I plugged in, the light is on. It means the current has reached the microscope, and it shows. It had different levels of the light. You can use it by pressing multiple times the light button. HI-View is the software that I have just installed. So let's open it. From here we will select the source. So it shows that USB, it has detected USB digital camera. Let's see if it works. Oops, it looks like it isn't working. Let me try again. So it isn't working actually. The light is there. It means it is passing current through the USB cable, but the other data is not coming through. It means there is some fault with the microscope and it is not showing the result as expected. Like that, this tool hasn't worked for me. It came all the way from China, but it is not working, so I'll have to return it to them and see if I can get another one.